Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see about ordered list in HTML file. Myself, Dr. A. John Pradeep Ebenezer, HOD of Computer Application, is going to teach you or is going to guide you on the subject ordered list. As the name itself suggests, that it's going to be ordered list. List is a continuous set of elements, and it's going to be ordered in the sense, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or A, B, C, D, or it's a Roman letter 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be called as an ordered list. Something which is very well refined, something which is well understandable, and something which is going to be put into an organized fact can be put into an ordered list. Now coming to straight away to the tags that are needed to create an ordered list. The main tag for creating an ordered list is the OL tag. The O stands for ordered, L stands for the list. As you are all well aware of that, all the tags should be given inside an angular bracket. This point suggests that the HTML OL tag defines an order list, and an order list can be numerical or alphabetical. Right? It can be a numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4. Either it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or a Roman letter 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's going to be an alphabetical, either it's going to be an uppercase or it's going to be a lowercase. Right? I'll summarize this particular slide that the main tag for creating an ordered list is the OL tag, and it is enclosed inside an angular bracket, which is going to be the case for all the tags in HTML. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. As we have discussed in the previous slide, all ordered list starts with an OL tag. The items that need to be displayed inside the ordered list can be or should be given inside another sub tag, which is a sub tag of the OL tag, that is the LI tag. See, LI tag, the second point, is also given inside an angular bracket. These are the items that need to come under an order list, should be given inside an list item tag. LI stands for list item. We are going to list the item. This list item will be a sub tag to the order tag. Normally, nothing is given inside this list item. No attribute has been given. That is, we are not specifying whether it's going to be an alphabet or it's going to be a number or a Roman letter, uppercase alphabets or a lowercase alphabets. If nothing is given, then which means by default it is number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the sample HTML coding. See, on the left hand side of the screen, we have an ordered list. That's the master tag. This is the parent tag, and this parent tag is having a child tag. That is a sub tag. That is the list item. See, the list item should have an open tag as well as the close tag. The close tag is always prefaced by a forward slash. See, first list item is the Sachin. Second list item is Kohli. Third list item is Dhoni. And we have the ordered master ordered list. It's the parent tag that has been closed, which means, see, we have not specified how the order, which format the order should be, whether it's going to be a number format or a Roman numerals, or if it's going to be a capital letter alphabet or it's going to be a small letter. We have not specified. So as I told you in the previous slide, by default it's going to be numbers. See, if it's going to be a number, then we can see what is displayed in the screen is, and that's in the web pages 1, 2, and 3. Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni. Right, that is displayed. See, I'll summarize things. The parent tag is the OL tag. It has an opening tag as well as the closing tag. In between this order list opening and closing tag, we have a sub tag which is called as the list item, which has been discussed or told in the previous slide. And this list item will have a separate opening and a closing tag. Inside that, I have given the first list item is the Sachin, second list item is Kohli, and third one is Dhoni. Obviously, nothing has been specified what type of order list is going to be, whether it's going to be numbers or Roman numerals, or it's going to be uppercase alphabet or small lowercase alphabets. If nothing is specified, by default it's going to be a number 1, 2, 3. The output will be 1, 2, 3, Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni in the same order. These are the different type of ordered list we can give, which I have told you in the previous slide. That is given using the attribute type. Obviously, the OL tag, the order list tag, will have the type attribute. The type attribute, if it's going to be 1, then it's going to be number 1, 2, 3. By default, also it's number, and if it's going to be type is equal to 1, then it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. If type is equal to capital letter A, the list item that is going to be displayed will be capital A, capital B, capital C, D, and 4. Right, then depending on the number of list item that is given. If it's going to be type A, it's a lowercase alphabet A, which means we have A, B, C, D, E, F as the list item. Obviously, it will be in small letters. And type is equal to Roman letter height. If it's going to be a uppercase Roman letter I, then it's going to be the number is going to be displayed as 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 is going to be of a Roman letter case. If it's going to be a smaller I, it's going to be smaller lowercase Roman letters. This coding briefly explains you the use of the attribute type. Here in this coding, I have given the order list, and the type is going to be 1, which means 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I have used a new attribute here, which is going to be start. The start is going to be equivalent to 5, which means the number, obviously the output is going to be in number list, but number will start with 5, then will proceeds to 6, then it proceeds to 7. This particular coding as Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni listed, but it's if you see the output, it has been listed as 5, 6, and 7. The reason why it has been given as 5, 6, and 7 is the type is going to be the one, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 format, but still, though it's 1, 2, 3, 4 format, it has been precisely told that it should start with 5. So, if it's going to be starting with 5, we will start with 5, proceed with 6, and end with 7. Okay, my dear students, this is regarding the ordered list. I'll summarize the things what we have seen now. The order list starts with a parent tag, that is the OL tag. OL stands for the order list, and the order list will have a subtag inside it, that is the list item LI, the item that needs to be displayed inside as an ordered list. By default, all the list items will be listed in numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the sample code, that is order list with the open and close tag, and list item with an open and close tag, and the item that needs to be displayed has been displayed here. Here in this example, it has been given as Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni. Right. This table demonstrates the different type of ordered list. If it's going to be 1, we have the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If it's going to be capital A, that is uppercase A, then the list will be of A, B, C, D, E, F. And if it's going to be type is equal to the smaller A, it will be of the case A, B, C, D, E, F in small letters. If it's going to be a capital I, it is an uppercase Roman numeral number, and if it's going to be smaller I, it's going to be lowercase Roman numbers. And this coding explains that the two attributes of an ordered list, that is type is equal to 1 and start equal to some random number. What is this start indicates here? It is the number in which we are going to start, or if it's going to be the alphabet in which we are going to start, or the Roman numerals in which we are going to start. Here the example taken is the number equal to 5. So the output displayed is we start with the number 5. So it's going to be 5, 6, and 7. Thank you for patient listening, my dear students. Next session, I'll come up with a different videos, that is regarding to unordered list, which is somewhat a continuous thing that you need to learn after an order list. Thank you.